there, beautiful people. Today I'm looking at the Essence I Love Crazy Volume Mascara in Best Voluminous Black. I was actually given this as a gift, and it is it promises crazy volume. It's an elegant deep black color, ideal for any setting. It provides intense and dramatic volume and length for stunning and long-lasting results. Let's make it. We're committed to serving our environment, which is why Crazy Extreme Mascara is 100% eco and cruelty-free. Once again, yay for bunnies. No bunnies have been tested in the testing of this mascara. It's intense yet defined volume for striking lashes. It's at a really good price point. A side-by-side comparison with my eyelashes, and it really does pump up the volume and give you an extreme eyelash look. I didn't necessarily look like I was wearing false eyelashes. Well, I didn't ask anybody, but most people don't ask, are you wearing false eyelashes? Because it's kind of a rude question. A little bit about this company. This is the Essence, once again, I Love Crazy Volume Mascara. Intense yet defined volume. So once again, what the defined means is that your eyelashes are not going to be muddled and clumped. They're going to be defined and not sparse, but it's going to make them, they're going to lengthen them and also give you that volume that you're looking for in a mascara. It's, like I said, cruelty-free, but also ophthalmologist tested. The Crazy Volume Mascara, creamy texture, covers each individual lash with color, and the extra large plastic brush provides sensational volume. Now I'm going to show you what the brush looks like. If you can see, that's what it looks like against my hand. It's pretty big. It's got a lot of little spikes on it. One trick I learned with mascara, you want to take the applicator brush out of the tube and let it dry just a little bit. It's kind of like crazy glue, where you have to let it dry a little bit before you apply it to something. So you want to take it out and let it dry just a little bit so that it's tacky. That way it'll get on their eyelashes a lot quicker and you will have to do less coats. Never pump your eyeshadow. Never stick it in there and pump, because you're just putting air in there, and you don't want to put air into your mascara. You just want to use it, use what's on your brush, go back in for another coat, swish it around a little bit, and come back out with a new coat on the brush. So none of the pumping. I used to watch my mother pump her mascara when she would put it on in the car while we were driving. Of course, I'm told not to run around with sharp objects in my hand, but sure, you can use a mascara wand while you're driving, no problem. Use the rear view mirror. You're gonna poke your eye out. But it's funny what parents what hypocrites parents can be. So no, it's not a good idea to put on your mascara while you're driving. You need to pay attention to the road, and you can't poke your eye out, so you don't want to do that. But yeah, this company is, I don't know if they're new or old. Like I said, I was given this by a friend. It's not waterproof. I found that it didn't have any smudging. The product is made in Italy. And someone said that the mascara is not gluten-free. So if you are gluten intolerant, this is not the mascara for you. I've never heard of gluten being put in mascara, but I guess that's the thing now that we have to worry about. I have a friend who's very intolerant of gluten. You know, like, even when she's out of town, when we go over to their house, really it's gluten-free snacks. But this is a really great, voluminous, wonderful, eye-popping eyeshadow. That's the mascara. That's the one thing I really love about mascara, is how transformative it is. It really can take your eye from to wow. And I really think that mascara is probably one of my favorite products. And I've tried a lot. I have tried a lot. I love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. Highly recommend it. I would give it a 4 out of 5 stars. I'm not going to give it a full 5 stars because it's not my favorite, but I will use it in a pinch. You can keep it in your handbag or your desk at work. My desk was my second vanity. I would basically do my makeup if I was going out on a date after work. Right when I first met my husband. So I actually used to keep a curling iron in there and a whole bunch of things. So anyways, the I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara by Essence. Remember that it's not gluten-free. Try it yourself. Don't take my word for it. And thanks so much for watching.